Good morning, friends. Myself, Yusuf Khan Ismail Khan Tank. I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel 24 by 7 English and Motivation. Friend, today our topic is expectations are the most common cause of breaking relations. The more the expectations are, the more the disappointments are. If you want to have long, healthy and good relationship, you should expect nothing from this relation. It is very easy to say, but it is very difficult to practice. We, as a social human being, it is very common to have so many expectations from our relations. Expectations are good if you have with your own. You should have expectations with your own, but you should not expect others people to do or behave such ways or the ways you want to behave. If you expect from yourself, it is always motivates you. If you expect to do great works by yourself, if you want to do something and expect it I will do, it is very good. But it is on the same way or completely opposite to it, you should or actually you must not expect other person or in relation with other persons, you should not expect anything from it. As I have just told you, the more the expectations are, the more the disappointments are. For example, if you expect anything from one person or someone expects from you, 9 times out of 10, you fulfill or complete his or her expectation. But imagine, or you have already experienced it also, 9 times if you complete or fulfill expectation, but once, only once in 10 times, if you fail to fulfill or complete his or her expectation, the result is there is a breaking in relationship. Person starts to disappoint with you. He or she becomes little bit negative or the relationships are not as same as earlier it was. So I appeal all of you, if you want to have good relations, healthy relations and a long relation, you should not expect anything from any person. Okay, you even I say that in the relationship of not only friends, generally relationships broken in expectations between or among friends, but even the closest relations like son and father, mother and daughter, husband and wife, brother and sister, these relations are very very close. Even then, I think or I appeal, I advise all of you, in relations, in these relationships also, you should not expect anything. One father should not expect his son to behave or to do in such live the life in such ways or the way he wants to live. Okay, as I have just told you, okay, 10 out of 10, 9 times if your son does this, but once he does not, then you think your son is not good. But reality is not that. Same way, mother and daughter relationship, even husband and wife relationship, brother sister relationship, you should have very very little expectations out of relations. If you have more expectations in any relationship and once it cannot be fulfilled, the results are very bad. The root cause of breaking the relation or most common cause we have studied or we have seen this is expect other people to behave in such way. For example, if someone is your friend, but if we are friend, it doesn't mean in all the way or in nature wise we are same. Our friend may be different from us in nature. You want to like to go to garden, you like to watch cinemas or your hobbies are different than your friends. But you expect that your friend also do the same. His or her hobbies are opposite or different. He or she doesn't like to watch movie, or doesn't like to go to garden, or doesn't like to go to parties. Obviously, if he or she cannot say you no, then though he or she does not want to do this, he has to do, or she has to do. But how long it may continue? It must end one day. So it is also nice advice to learn the art of say no. If someone expects from you, you should learn the art of saying no. If you learn this art, your relationship can be saved from breaking. You should learn the art of saying no. When you don't like, or if you are not comfortable doing anything in any relation, you tell no. If you are afraid, or if you have fear, if I say no, then my relations will be broken, then you must be ready for relation to be broken, but learn the art of say no. Once you just keep saying yes, after relationship of 2 years, 5 years, or maybe 10 years, the day will come, then you have to say no. And it is obvious that the more the relations, the more older the relationship is, the disappointments are also more. If your relationship is only of 1 month, your pain is not same as the relationship broken after 5 years. It's very common. So I advise all of you, you should have relations, father, son, mother, daughter, wife, husband, friends, all relationship we have, but we should not expect anything from any relationship. If he or she say yes and does the job, no problem. But says no, respect his or her point of view, or his or her thought. So I appeal again, if you want to live happy, and if you want to have long relationships, healthy relationships, learn the art of saying no and don't expect anything from it. So please tell me how you like this my expectations video. If you want to say anything, just write your comments and tell me. Keep watching my YouTube channel 24/7 English, and subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Thank you.